The real estate market is super hot right now, and a lot of people are thinking about jumping into investing space for the first time. Over the past 15 years or so, I've been investing in real estate. It's a great business whether you're diving in full time or you've decided to test the waters with your first flip. But it's not like the shows you see on TV. In order to build and grow a successful business, you need to master three basic skills: source great deals, hire and manage contractors, and find the money to finance your projects. Whether you're looking for your first project or you're a seasoned pro with hundreds of transactions under your belt, you need a way to consistently find great deals. It's hard to find good deals in this market, but good deals, especially if you're a beginner, they're not going to be good enough, and they're not going to cut it. There are a lot of expenses that go into real estate transactions. Transfer taxes, agent fees, finance costs, and holding costs can dig into your profit margin very quickly. Target a purchase price of about 65% of the after repair value minus the cost of construction. With a 35% discount, you can expect a profit of somewhere between 10 to 15% of your after repair value for that investment. The MLS is the largest and easiest source of available properties, and you can find deals there from time to time with an agent. But if you're limiting yourself to listed houses, it's going to take a lot of patience to find that jewel in the rough. Connect with local wholesalers and other investors. Get creative and start marketing yourself. Postcards, text messaging, and outbound calling will generate opportunities. The important thing to remember here is that you need consistency. You'll need a lot of hooks in the water in order to build a pipeline full of profit makers. One key component to building wealth with real estate is value-add construction. You'll first need to understand the rehab process. Define the scope of work that will maximize your return. Hire competent contractors that show up on time and they get the job done. Then you got to manage and coordinate the project to get your rehab done on time and on budget. The skill isn't easy. Managing people can be a huge challenge, so start off small. Master the single-family remodel. Repeat the process a few times before you move on to multiple projects at once. Last but not least, you need to master the financial part of the project. A lot of new investors think they can jump into their first investment project with little or no money. If someone tells you that lie, they're not trying to help you. They're trying to sell you a course. Private money, banks, and hard money lenders all want to make sure you've got some skin in the game. And unless you have a long, successful track record and don't really need the money, you're going to want at least $20,000 to $50,000 in accessible capital. You'll need this money for things like deposits, closing costs, holding costs, and construction overages, even if your lender is offering you 100% financing. The more success you have, the more financing opportunities you run into. Real estate investing isn't easy, but it can be very rewarding. Source great deals, manage construction, find the money. Master these three topics, and you'll be well on your way to becoming the next real estate mogul.